Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add Klarna to Shopify, and it will be a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, this is our Shopify store. If you see the front view, then you will find out that our Shopify store has some product on this platform and already set up perfectly for users. So here we are going to include some payment option in here to get purchase product from our Shopify store. We have some option, but there is some problem we have, that is our plan or our billings, because we are using a trial version, so we don't have all features access here. So that for reason we have this problem. So now I'm going to change the address, because address plays a big role on Shopify store, because I am from a Asia country who's located in Bangladesh. So here I don't have access of Klarna, PayPal and Payoneer, this kind of platform which is not accepted in my country. So that for reason I'm going to change the address so I can easily access this Klarna. So here I'm going to change it to another country. So let's go over here and change our billing address. This will be United States. So here I'm going to click on United States, then I will select the state. That will be, yeah, it's maybe different kind of state. So let's go and choose selected address. So here you can see this is our address. I'm going to click on save. Once I click over here, it will be perfectly integrated with our Shopify store. Now if I go to the payment option, now you can see we have this interface and it totally changed. You can see the videos from the end, like beginning, then you will get the result what happened on this platform. So now we have the access of Shopify payments, then we have the access for PayPal, and also we have the access for payment method like Klarna. Here you can see this is the Klarna platform. So before you need to be use the Klarna, here you can see this is the Klarna platform. I will share the link in the description. So here you can easily integrate Klarna for your business at checkout. Let's check out how Klarna works for. So let's go on to the ChatGPT. So let's click on ChatGPT and ask why I need to use Klarna. Why I need to use Klarna for my Shopify store, and let's eventually see the result over that place. So here you can see use Klarna on your Shopify store can significantly enhance the customer experience and potentially and increase your sales. Here's why: flexible payment option for customer, improve conversion rate, like increase average order value, free from merchant, trusted brand, and easy integration with Shopify. Competitive advantage, why not to use? There is some disadvantage here, so you can read it. And let's check out the Trustpilot mode. Is it really trusted or not? Trustpilot, and let's search it here and click on see all result. And now you can see we have like 5-star rating over 71%. So you can understand that Klarna is a trusted one, and it has 4.1 review out of 5. So it's maybe reliable for you. So you can rely on this. So the process to integrate Klarna is very simple and easy. You just need to come to this place and find out the payment and click on payments. Once you click over here, just now you need to be click on add payment method. You can search by payment method like Klarna. Here you will get the Klarna, or you can access the payment by provider. So here let's search for Klarna, and here you can see we have two providers called AdiWorks Klarna, and here you can see we have options like ping pong checkout, as civil pay, local payments, and many more. So also the main thing I can say the advantage is Klarna don't charge anything. There is a no transaction fee. When someone make a transaction between our website, they will not charge any penny for transaction. That's the great advantages. Whereas if you see the PayPal, they charge 2% and many more. Sometimes it become a headache for some customer. So before using a Klarna, you just need to be click an account. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will allow you to create an account. So you need to be create a merchant account over that place. Once you've done this, then you can easily associate your Klarna with your Shopify store. Let's go and click over here Klarna, and now you can see about Klarna. The app will allow you to accept Klarna as a payment with your Shopify store, and it helps you to gain access to Klarna vast global customer base. Klarna helps you to convert more sales in your Shopify store. Your customer get the freedom to buy what they want to know and pay. So click on install. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the Shopify app store. Yeah, as you can see, this app is non-compatible with your store, so they are not compatible, but you can use it. Just you can ignore it. Although if you think this is the problem for you, then you can mail Klarna official and ask them to update it. They will definitely will do it. So this app is not available. Klarna is only compatible with store that sell any of those currencies. So my currency is in BDT, so I need to be change it. So let's go on to the setting, and let's go over here and let's go to the payments process, and you just need to be change your BDT to USA. So here I will come over here. So I need to be find out where is the BDT change. So eventually we find out where we need to be change our current currency display. So I'm going to click over here, then change store currency. I will make it USD, and now I'm going to click on save. Once I done it, now if I eventually check the Klarna, let's click on install, and here you can see Klarna, the negative message has been removed from that place. Now I am able to install it. Once I install it, it will redirect me to the Klarna dashboard. Here they are asking for create an Klarna merchant panel. So you just need to be create your Klarna merchant account from this place, or you can log in with Google. So I'm going through this Google. Just click over here. Next, click on continue. An unexpected error when authenticating your identity. Please again Klarna merchant plan. So you just need to be create an account over here. Once you're done, you are allowed to integrate your Klarna to your Shopify store. So I hope you eventually understand the main reason how you need to be work on and how you can integrate or add Klarna to your Shopify store. I try my best to break down every simple topic in here. First of all, you need to be use your currency. It will be USD, Canadian, or anything you want. Then your store will be located in USA or out of Asian subcontinental, like the India, Pakistan, and Bhutan. This kind of place are not allowed to use Klarna. Then when you done this, you are allowed to integrate your Klarna to your Shopify store. So I hope this video was knowledgeable for you. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.